Why are you honking? Why are you honking? Good morning, Ambitious Squad. How y'all doing today? Today is a very special day today. As you can see from the title already, I am pranking my best friend, which is Hanan. So today I'm gonna be doing that prank, you know, where they write on the piece of paper like honk to piss off my boyfriend or honk to piss off my girlfriend. So I'm gonna be doing honk to piss off my best friend. So I got the paper and pen, everything ready. So I am about to go to his house right now. So let me just set you guys up. Let me quickly write what I need to write, and then I'll show you the finished cut right now. So I'm gonna put you guys right here while I quickly do this. So guys, this is what the final looks like. It says honk to piss my best friend off, please. It's for pranks. Subscribe with Ambitious YouTube. So guys, I am going to his house right now, and I'll see you there. Alright, Ambitious Squad, so we just made it to his house, to his area. Currently his car is somewhere around there, but I'm gonna give him a call and tell him to come here. I have it ready, I got the tape on and everything, but unfortunately he has something in his car, in his right, it's like a huge box. So I'm gonna call him, and then I'm gonna tell him to come, and then we're gonna pretend to sit, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I forgot something in my car. And I'm gonna head over to my car, and then I'm gonna be like, pop up your trunk, I'm gonna just stick it back in his truck, and I'll see you there. See you. Alright, Ambitious Squad, my heart is beating so much, and we got it on his car right here. It's on his car. Oh my god. Alright, so let's get this. Good afternoon, Ambitious Squad. How y'all doing today? I am back with the homie Hanan Sayed.
What's going on, guys? How are you?
I'm always with him. Today we are going to, where are we going again?
La Palma Park. It's in Anaheim.
It's in Anaheim. It's some Eid festival. How many people are gathering up there?
But we're gonna have almost, I think, 500-600 people at least. And today is Saturday, so Saturday evening. So everyone, they're all just chilling with their family in the morning, and then afternoon. And now everyone is gonna make it out there. So it's gonna be a good time. They're gonna have a talent show. They're gonna have a full bazaar for men and women. It's just gonna be a good time, bro. Everyone gonna get together, talk about like what they did for Eid. It's gonna be a good time in general, bro.
Yeah. So hopefully it is a nice day today, and get everything done today. Have fun, enjoy, and happy Eid Mubarak, late Eid Mubarak, and advance Eid Mubarak. So yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there.
Look at all these
I just like this part when it goes down, and it goes all. Oh, yeah. So it's like the cool part, you know, rounds. They're probably like, yo, stop recording. I don't care. I thought you were gonna drop the camera. That's crazy. Guys, I'm like recording, and like people are honking at me. I don't know why. It's just weird. They probably like, oh, why? You might drop off the camera or something. Tell him I'm not.
Yeah, bro. The guy behind us is like honked twice already. He's like, what's going on?
So it's been like 2 times he honked at us. He's like, you can drop the camera. This dude, guys, right here, he's like clapping and honking. This is like the 3rd person, right?
I was checking like if my gas tank is open or something like that. Nothing.
Guys, people are like honking at us for some reason. It's so weird. I don't know. What do you think? Why do you think?
I don't know, man. I was just checking the gas tank. I was checking to see if my trunk was open. I don't know anything, man. People just love us, bro. They just love my car, man. That's what it is. That's it, man. When they see me on the street, they know. They know what's up.
They know it's not safe in the building.
So they do is they move away. They move aside. They make the lane for me open for me. So there's no traffic.
Damn, I see.
You know what I mean? Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, but it's been like I think the 3rd car or 2nd car. 3rd car? Yeah, people are just honking. It's so weird, guys. This is the first time it happened, right?
Yeah.
Bro, you think you're driving too fast?
Driving too fast. Look, I'm like driving at normal speed.
Or you're driving too slow, maybe?
Too slow.
You sure?
Pretty sure. Look, I'm very close to the car in front of me.
Yeah, I know. Guys.
What the hell?
Guys. See, he went to that carpool lane. You just heard that honk again?
क्या कर रहे हैं यार? What the heck? Why is people honking?
I have no clue, bro.
मैंने क्या गलत काम किया यार?
What are you doing? Why are you driving like that?
What the heck?
This is the what, 4th?
4th time.
See, I told you guys, people are honking at us.
आता है लेकिन इन चीज़ों में नहीं. बस समझ नहीं आ रही है लोग क्यों honking.
See, they're honking too.
Why is she honking?
I don't know.
Ask her. Why are you honking? Why are you honking?
People are honking.
Yo, what the heck? I think maybe because they see the camera.
Oh, bro, YouTube. We're YouTubers. Hey.
They probably see the camera. That's why. You know?
Probably. Oh, that's a dope Corvette, guys. Right there.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, bro. With your camera sticking out like this, and they're like, oh, okay. Must be some YouTubers.
Live ambitious. Dab.
We do a lot of dabbing at the park, bro.
Yo, what do they have at the park?
Khana, kapre, jewelry.
Oh, really? The parking is free?
I think so.
Hopefully.
Inshallah.
You know, we desi, so we want everything for free.
Of course.
I'm actually loving this ride. People honking at us with this camera up. I think I should do it more often.
Makes the time pass by.
Adnan's like, oh, why are you honking? She's like, why not? It's crazy. We're gonna be there like in 24 minutes, guys. So hopefully no one else honks.
No more honking, bro. No more. I'm done. I'm done with this honking.
What happens if another person honks?
I'm gonna go crazy. I'll be like, stop honking!
So this
गाली दूंगा उनको.
Really? It gets annoying like after a while, like
like it's like you feel like you're doing something wrong.
We're not doing anything and people are honking at us. Oh, that's like my dream car, X6. Woo! This is the funnest ride.
Look at this.
That's another honk. You
Another
heard
honk.
that? Another honk.
I definitely think that people like when they see the camera, they're like, oh, okay.
You think?
Look at that car with the.
Go closer. Guys, look at this car. It has like all stickers on them.
Yeah, you can barely see through, man.
Look at that.
That's just like really bad. A cop pulls this person over.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. It's all with stickers.
they can easily get a ticket for that.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, you can't see. Like, yeah.
But yeah, so it's a red Toyota Sienna. I should give the description. I mean, so yeah, this person can get a ticket. It's all tinted, his windows, unfortunately. So I'm not gonna judge anybody because I think we're being judged here by people honking at us. Hanan, you gotta speak to camera now. How was your experience? Okay, let's ask Hanan some question and answers. So Hanan, how was your experience today in this 45 minutes drive from 1 to 10?
It was a 1. It was terrible.
Why would you say that?
People were honking at me for no reason, man. I'm like trying to figure out what's going on, if I had some issue with my car or just why are you using the phone as a mic? Oh, mic on top of the camera.
You gotta make it dramatic, you know?
Okay. Yeah, man, I'm just glad I'm here. I'm at the park now. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes of torture. After that, then I'm good.
Okay, so how frustrated did you get out of 1 out of 10?
I'd say like a 6.
6?
Wasn't too bad, but then people were like smiling, having a good time, you know, like honking and stuff. So like, okay.
Why do you think people were honking at you?
Because of the guy holding the camera. I was holding the camera so high that everyone could see it.
Oh, so you're blaming me?
Yep.
Oh, so you sure it was me?
Yeah, I'm sure it was it.
Okay, so pretty much that's it for you, you know, because we're 2 minutes away, and I'm gonna put my shades on because I gotta look like Mr. Beast, which I'm not. I don't play Fortnite, unfortunately, so I'm not Mr. Beast. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. We are here, guys. It's the moment of truth, guys. We got pranked. Pranked, Mr. Pranked. Guys, let's him come out of the car.
Sounds like, oh, you should be here. Like,
Check your car. You got pranked!
Oh, what the hell? Yo.
Yeah, we got him! Got him!
That's why I was like, what the hell?
You remember the time when you scared me in your kitchen?
Yeah.
It's revenge.
Oh my God.
Got you. We got him, guys. That was your thoughts. How do you feel?
Hey, yo, man, that's crazy.
How you feel?
Now I like figure like why are people honking like 24/7? Then I realized that
It didn't cross
people
your mind.
honk. No, bro. I didn't even look at that, bro. That's so funny.
Got him.
Guys, this is what my best friend does, man. He's crazy. I thought people were honking like 24/7 on the whole ride. I was trying to figure out what's going on. That's crazy.
We're pranking him.
Not good.
Who's
Like a long time ago when I pranked him in the like I think it was you were in the kitchen or something like that.
Yeah.
And I just scared you or something. Yeah, bro.
So this was my revenge today, and
Like no one would tell me. I was like, why are you honking? She's like, oh,
and
just
you know what? You know what's the funny part?
Yeah.
When people were honking and they're passing by, they're looking at you, right?
Yeah.
And you know when you started asking that lady, oh, like, why are you honking?
Yeah.
I was doing like this to her.
Oh yeah.
I was going like this, so she's like, that's why she made up. She's like, oh, that's what she didn't want to tell you.
That's so.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace. Until then, I'll catch you later. Guys, you guys want to sit in this right here behind me? Woo! This is gonna be the first ride I'm gonna sit in there, guys. Alright, guys, so in this park they do have a lot of rides and they do have a lot of shopping. So I'm gonna just show you guys the clips and see how it is. So enjoy the view. they are giving away prizes or something, so.
Second name is gonna be for brother Ahmed Chalabi.
Yes. Ahmed Chalabi.
Brother Ahmed.
Okay, Ambitious Squad, so we are officially going on a ride right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, we are going on the Area 51. It just spins you all around, you know, so we're gonna go there and have some fun now, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. See ya. Guys, wait, oh my god. I'm getting dizzy. I know, right? It's like spinning. I feel so humid in here. This thing is bad. Oh my god. Guys, it is crazy. Oh. I think I can fly. Watch. Should I? Guys! I'm floating! I am floating! Look! My leg! My leg! My foot on the floor! I know, right? I'm done! Guys, I bring you guys on the epic journey of Eid! This is going more deep! Guys! I'm like, I can't even hold my phone! Oh my god! Oh my god! I hear loud noises! I can't even speak, guys! Sorry for the shaky video, but it is what it is. Guys, I'm like literally hands-free, my legs are on the bottom, they're not even on the ground. I'm like, woo! I'm crying right now. Oh, look at it. Oh my god! Holy moly! Oh, that was fun. Woo! Feel better. Oh god, I just want to sleep. Oh, didn't even get my head up. Oh, that was crazy. One crazy experience, guys. Not gonna lie. This was just the first ride, guys. Oh my god. This was just the first ride. The second one's just horrible. It's worse than this, guys. I'm so dizzy, bro. I know I can't. Alright guys, so we're going on this crazy one. Guys, this was the craziest feeling ever. Oh my god. Literally this thing flips you backwards.
Yeah, I felt like my heart was about to come out of my chest, man. It was like, whoa.
Literally our legs were like off the thing when it was backwards, upside down. And it was like we're about to fall, but luckily that thing was holding us. So see you guys later. So this guy, big shout out to him, he's letting us go for free. So see you guys there. So he let us go for free. Big shout out to him. So we're on this thing right now, guys. Which one do you want to go on, bro? This one? Oh, that one's open right there. So let's just get on to this one. And I don't know how, but let's go. How do you sleep? This is waiting. Let's see what it. Everybody's just laying down, bro. You get on that side, put weight on there. Put weight on that one. Yeah, hold on, put weight. He's gonna close himself? Yeah. Here we go. Alright guys, so the car, we're finally moving. Let's get it. Okay, we're elevating guys. We're elevating. Holy moly. Let's go. We're Superman. Woo! That's pretty crazy Live ambitious, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Nah, say it. What up? What up? What up? What up? Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, I cannot say how much thankful I am for this day. It's Live Ambitious, guys. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. I'm at that point where I can't even scream right now, guys. I want to scream, but I can't. That's how bad it is. I'm gonna switch the camera. Oh my God. Here we are, guys. Live ambitious for life. We are dropping the elevation now. We just got done, guys. So see y'all later. Back to the next stop, my man. Alright, ambitious squad, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And also, in the comment section below, tell me what other pranks should I do on my friends, or what other pranks you guys have in mind for me to do. And if you did enjoy it, once again, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Till next time, peace.
Hi, what's up? California.
Come get your cotton candies and popcorns right here.
Yeah.
Hey, there we go, there we go.
Hey. Show them how to make corn dogs.
That's how we look right there.
Here you go. The cotton candy. We put the sugar in the hole. Right in the middle. We put some food dye in there. Turn it on and it starts spinning. I'm on my break. This is Sissy, the logo. Right there. Hey. Hey. She's my niece. She's my niece. Live video. Yeah.
Thank you guys so
See
much.
that beautiful smile, people? See it? Hi.
Thank you guys so much for the popcorn.
And up. Here.
Oh, there we go. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Let me get this.
Put that away.
You guys charge me?
Huh?
You guys charge me, right?
Nope.
No? Why not?
All right, how do we find that? Because you're cute.
Oh, thank you. You guys can search Live Ambitious.
We do.
That's my channel called Live Ambitious.
Oh, Live Vicious.
Live Ambitious.
Do you have a card? Write it down?
Let me write it down for you.
Yeah.